Hey, it's Mike and Taylor. I'd like to talk about Global Battery Metals. This stock trades on the OTC or the pink sheets under symbol REZZF. This stock was down a little over 5%, down to 90 cents. Look over the past month, this stock did break the $1 level, moved up to 150, then it started moving back down, and it broke below the $1 level. So I would say right now, I would not be buying Global Battery Metals. I would want to see it dip above $1 because the $1 level is a very strong area of support and resistance, meaning if it breaks below $1, it's going to be a challenge for it to get above $1 again. But once it could break above $1 and stay above $1, then it could definitely make a run at $2 a share. On the long term, I really like Global Battery Metals. They have two projects, one in Ireland and one in Peru, that's mining lithium. And they also have on their Ireland project, on the Peru project, they are mining other, in addition to lithium, they're mining, I believe, also, let me just double check here. Yeah, copper and I believe nickel. So they have two properties, but the real focus of Global Battery Metals is going to be the lithium to supply, the metal for the EV battery business, which is going to be growing exponentially over the next decade. So over the long term, I do like Global Battery Metals, but I would say right now, if you're looking for a short-term trade, you're going to want to see the stock break above $1 because, like I said, it's going to be a huge psychological resistance level. But all these battery makers, these lithium and battery makers are going to be really strong over the next decade. So I would say if you're really anxious to buy the stock, if you do buy it below the $1 level, you just have to be really patient with it. I mean, there's the stock that you buy it and then you don't look at it for the next couple of years. But if you're looking for that short-term trade, as I said, wait for it to break above the $1 level and then set your target at probably the $2 level. Just get a quick double out of it. But over the long term, this is definitely a company that could just, depending on how well they're able to extract the metal out of their projects, they could go pretty high. But I would also recommend that if you want to play these lithium makers, own several of them because some of these companies may just not be able to deliver on their promises, while some will become very dominant in their sector. So with Global Battery Metals, you could look at Lithium Americas and the other lithium makers. Just own a spread because then you'll be well diversified. But the potential for the highest upside could be Global Battery Metals just because of its low price and the fact that it only has two projects up and going. So definitely check out Global Battery Metals. Again, it trades on the OTC or the pink sheets on symbol REZZF. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to leave a like and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, options, and stock trading strategies. Thanks a lot.